and this is my presentation on melanin in the eye for the class Melanin Mastery at Aya Educational Institute, taught by Babu Akessa and Mami Imani. What is melanin? The chemical formula for melanin is C18H10 N2 and O4, and it is a dark brown to black pigment occurring in the hair, skin, and iris of the eye in people and in animals. It is responsible for tanning of skin exposed to sunlight. Where is melanin in the eye? Melanin is in the iris, the retina, and the choroid. Melanin in the iris. Melanin helps determine the color of your iris. It helps protect the iris from ultraviolet and high frequency visible light. And lighter eyes are much more sensitive to the sun's harmful rays than darker eyes because they have less pigment. And people with gray, blue, and green eyes are more at risk for sun-related eye problems. The retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines the back of the eye on the inside. It is located near the optic nerve. The purpose of the retina is to receive light that the lens has convert the light into neural signals and send these signals on to the brain for visual recognition. So that basically means that light comes in, it is refracted onto the retina through the lens, then the retina has to convert that into chemicals to then send to the brain so we can see what is around us. And what melanin has to do with the retina. Melanin absorbs the excess light from the photoreceptors. And so the photoreceptors are a structure in a living organism, especially a sensory cell or sense organism that responds to light falling on it in the retina. And the excess light, the photoreceptors absorb the excess light so that you will be able to see clearly and your vision won't be blurry. And this right here is the retina, the choroid, or melanin in the choroid. Melanin helps limit uncontrolled reflection within the eye that would potentially result in the perception of confusing images. Melanin occurs throughout the choroid, and albinos melanin is in this part of the eye. For albinos, sometimes melanin isn't there or isn't there as much, and so their vision is low. And so what we mean by the first part of limit the controlled reflection and stuff is that inside of a film camera, it's all black, and that's so when the light is coming into the camera, some light goes directly to the lens, I believe, so that some light goes to the lens, and then other light kind of bounces around, but not really, because inside is black, so the blackness of it absorbs the other light, so that when you take the picture is clear. That's basically the same thing that's going on in our eyes, except quicker. And as far as albinos having low vision, albinos eye color can range from a pinky reddish type of thing to a bluish, sometimes a hazellyish to a kind of purplish type of color sometimes.